Hello friends, welcome to tilottamahandloom.in. Today I am going to show you our Katha work sarees. All the Katha work sarees are premium quality Katha work sarees. All the Katha work sarees are in Tasar silk and pure Bangalore silk, Bishnupur Katan. So if you like our sarees, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. And booking procedure is very easy. Booking number 7890721706. So let's start with our first saree. This is our Katha work Tasar silk saree. It's the pallu and patli pallu design in Katha work Tasar. The patli and pallu is first hand painted Katha, hand painted, and then we are doing the Katha work design. We are showing close look of the Katha work saree. This is the royal blue color in yoke portion, and the blouse is also the same blue, and patli and the pallu is in Katha work embroidery on it. This is the patli portion I am showing you right now. This is the patli portion and the Katha work embroidery on it. And after that I will show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, royal blue colored blouse, and the Katha work design for the border use only. This is very exclusive one. These sarees are the Silk Mark certified saree, and if you like the saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. WhatsApp number 7890721706. The saree price is 7490. This is our first saree. This is second saree. This saree also the same price, 7490. Same design also. This color is only difference. This is a Firozi blue colored body. The mannequin picture you also see in the screen also. This is a patli. This is patli. Sorry, this is the pallu design, and show how the intricate design in the patli. All these sarees are Silk Mark certified. This is the patli part. This patli also the same Katha work design, floral design all over the patli, and border is the green, beautiful green color, and this is the blouse. Blouse in Firozi blue, and the border also Katha work. You can see the mannequin picture also, very beautiful one. After draping, how it's look like. And this saree is a Silk Mark certified. Price is 7490. If you like to book the saree, please WhatsApp us 7890721706. This is our second saree. This is a partly portion I am showing you right now. Let's move on next saree. This is our third saree, the same design in Tasar silk. This is all these are premium quality Katha work in pure Tasar silk, Silk Mark certified saree. First we do the hand painting, then Katha work on it. This is the design. You can see the close look of the Katha work design on it. This is the pallu, and body part is in grey. It's dark grey, and both sides have the small borders on it, multicolored, three-colored border on it. Beautiful border in the yoke portion, and this is the patli part you are now showing. We are showing this is the patli part, and in screen also you are you can see the how the look like after draping. This is blouse, grey blouse with a multicolor border for your hand use. All these are Silk Mark certified saree. Price 7490. If you like to book the sarees, it's the WhatsApp number 7890721706. Otherwise, you can log on to our website. It's www.tilottamahandloom.in. All the links I will give you in the description box also. Next saree. This is half and half saree. The first half of the saree is in Tasar. It's pure Tasar. The color and the color of the thread is very colorful saree. The first color of the saree, first part of the saree is in Tasar, and lower half of the saree is in Bangalore silk. This is the first half of the saree. You can see right now. This is the first half of the saree. See how the colors of thread, very beautiful color thread we are using. it's colorful sari also. Sorry, this is the big lotus in the pallu, and this is the inside of the sari, lower half of the sari. In the mannequin picture you can see the how it's look like after draping. In border, lower side border, these kolka motifs are done, and this is the blouse piece also. This blouse you can use this hand embroidery, beautiful kolka motifs for the blouse hands use, and you can use this for your backside also. The sari price is 8,490. All these sarees are silk mark certified. This is a silk mark certified Tasar silk sarees. All the sarees are very premium quality sarees. If you like to book please WhatsApp us 7890721706. Otherwise you can log on to our website. This one also very exclusive Tasar. The work is very exclusive. The very big peacocks in the pallu as well as the lower half of the sari. See the sari carefully. This is the pallu. This is the pallu. Two big peacocks and temples on the pallu part. I love this sari. It's very beautiful one. Colorful peacocks for the pallu. Show this. I am showing you the close look of the peacocks. And this is the yoke portion and rest of the sari. Upper half of the sari we have designed the small peacocks on it. The Tasar quality also very good. And the lower half you can see the big peacocks in the lower half of the sari. All over sari going through like this. This is a very exclusive one. And this is our, and now I am showing you the blouse part also. The blouse also very designed. We are designed very carefully for the blouse, as this is the designed Kantha work sari. So we are, these are the hand work, and you can use the peacocks for your hand, and one peacock for your back side also. This is very premium quality Tasar silk sari with Kantha work embroidery, hand embroidery on it. This sari price is 9,850. If you like this sari, if you like the saris, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us 7890721706. It's next sari. The sari price is 9,450. This is also very premium quality Tasar silk sari, and geometric design all over the body. It's a geometric design, see, and we use the color pink and dark blue for the sari. The base color is Tasar color, same Tasar color body, and the work we are using with the baby pink and dark navy blue colored thread on it. It's geometric design all over the sari. It's corner to corner design. This is corner to corner design. After some time you see the mannequin picture also in the video. The sari price is 9,450. The very clean Kantha work design on it. We are showing this in this video very closely, so you can understand the work on it. Now you can see the draping picture, mannequin picture in the screen. This is the blouse piece. You are now showing. We are now showing the blouse piece also. For hand, we are doing this embroidery, Kantha work, temple, pink, big temples, and blue lines on it. This is a corner to corner design. After draping, it's look like this. The sari price is 9,450. The next sari is another Tasar silk sari. Colorful, very colorful threads we are using. This is also corner to corner design. It's premium quality Tasar. All the Tasars are silk mark certified. So no doubts about the quality. It's all these are pure. And this is the floral motif, Kantha, Nokshi Kantha design on it. All over the sari. This is a pallu, and we are showing the inside of the saree. This is also the corner to corner design. We are showing in this video all the sarees very closely, so you can understand how the beautifully designed, how the beautiful hand work on it. All these are hand work katha. There is no machine work. And this is the blouse piece. This is multicolored line katha work lines for your for your blouse, hand or back side also you can use this. This is our next saree. This is also premium quality kantha work on pure tasar silk saree. This tasar color, the base color is little bit darker color instead of others. This tasar color you can see, this is a little bit darker color, and rose motifs all over the body. This is also corner to corner design, and see we are using 2 shades of green and 2 shades of red to give the better look of the saree. There is no hand painting. This is all over the handwork katha. This is the next half of the saree, the skirt border motif, and this is the blouse. The saree price is 6,990. This is blouse, and this is, you can see the mannequin picture on it. First half of the saree is full work on it, and the next half of the saree is the skirt border, beautifully designed. This is pallu. You are showing in screen. This is the pallu design. The saree price is 6,990. All these are premium quality tasar. Next saree. This saree is zari border tasar silk. We are going to show you the next saree. This is zari border tasar silk saree. This is pallu design. The panel of zari with the hand painting katha work on it. The white panels we are designed with the hand painting katha on it, and it has own self zari weaving on the borders. It's pallu, and this is body. This is inside of the body, very beautiful one, hand painted katha work saree. The body color is the royal blue. It's indigo blue type color, and the saree small integrated katha work design all over the saree. Both side border have the hand painted katha work, and see, this is a close look of the saree, and you can see the mannequin picture also in the screen. All these sarees are uploaded in our website also, so if you like to purchase from our website, you can log on to our website and see the sarees there. This is the blouse piece. All the sarees as blue is the blouse piece also, and all the sarees are silk mark certified. You can get the silk mark tag with the sarees. The saree price is 8,450. Let's move on the next saree. This is a whole saree. This is a next saree. Next saree is in Bishnupur Katan, 3D Katan, and all these sarees are silk mark certified. Again, I am telling you, the premium quality kantha work sarees. You are all asking about kantha work sarees, showing kantha work sarees in YouTube. So this video for the special ones. This is the kantha work in Bishnupur Katan, white thread on it. This is inside of the saree. We are using white thread on it. This saree price is 8,980. If you like saree, then you can WhatsApp us. Now you will see the blouse piece of the saree. This is 3D color, 3 color separation there, and we are doing the hand and back side embroidery, hand embroidery, kantha work embroidery for your blouse use. See, this is the blouse design. This is the inside of the saree, and the multicolored pallu of the saree. This is the beauty of the saree. The pallu is very colorful pallu. Now you can see the mannequin picture also after draping, how it's look like. This saree price is 8,980. If you like this saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us 7890721706. This is next saree. It's Bangalore silk. It's black Bangalore silk. This saree also premium quality silk. Those who don't like to use the tassels, they can go for the silk saree. This is multicolored flower using the all over the body. This is a pallu and this is a body part. This is also corner to corner design inside of the saree. Now you are see the inside of the saree. This is the lower half of the saree. It's lower half of the saree. See the color and color combinations and work of the saree. It's up first half of the saree and all the buttas all over the body. Now see the blouse piece. Black blouse with a multicolored thread on it. 3 lines, red, white and yellow lines for the blouse borders. This saree also silk mark certified saree. Saree price is 8,490. All the sarees are uploaded in our website also. I will give you the link, every saree link in our website. Every saree link in this description box also. This is next saree. This saree is Bangalore silk. This is a sea green saree. It's not blue, it's sea green saree. In website you can see the exact color also. Color and the color combination is very uncommon, very beautiful, and it's reverse kantha work. See the kantha work design is reversely done. This is pallu, and this also corner to corner design and multicolored kantha work used for the reverse work. This is also corner to corner design. This is inside of the saree. The saree price is 7,490. You can see the mannequin picture also in the screen. This is blouse. This is the blouse. All the sarees are silk mark certified. This is our last saree also of this episode. If you like our sarees, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. And if you like our sarees, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. And this is the close look of our pallu. So that's all for today. If you like these sarees, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Otherwise, you can log on to our website. Happy shopping with us. Bye bye.